I don't plan on using this shit. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gayatri and in today's video I'm going to do a purple and Nykaa haul. So I have a lot of things from both Nykaa and purple. These are not the things that I bought this month. These are from the month of June. So it's kind of a collective haul. So let's start with the first item from the Nykaa haul. I'm going to do the Nykaa haul first because there are less products in that and more in purple, so we are going to do that. Also, if you are interested in this look, like how I created this look, you can go to my Instagram, and I will leave the direct link of the post in the description box below, so you can check it out. And without wasting much time, let's move on to the haul. Okay, so for the Nykaa haul, I have this many things. It's not much comparatively to the purple. I'll show you how the purple one looks like. It's super heavy, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but there are so many products down here. So the first thing that I got was an eyeshadow palette. This is the Nykaa eyeshadow palette. It's called Tinsel Twilight, and it's this beautiful palette right here. And then I also got 3 sheet masks from Sugar. So this is the cheat sheet clarifying mask from Sugar, and I really like that. This is how the face sheet mask looks. I already have used one, so I can give you my mini review. It's really good. It's hydrating. It might tingle a little bit if you have an acne, like active acne going on, then it might tingle you a little bit, but it did not tingle me at all. Next thing is this Nivea Soft Rose Lip Balm. We all know Nivea is go-to lip balm of so many people, and this is a bio papaya revitalizing tan removing scrub. So the reason why I got this one from Biotic and not the other one, because I saw Shreya Jain talk about this and she literally compared it with some other high-end scrub. I cannot remember the name of that scrub, but she said they are exactly the same in the, she tried it on this side and the other high-end one on this side, and the difference was not noticeable, like there was not much difference. And this is for like 75 rupees. The next thing is from the Nykaa Lux store. The thing that I got is a MAC concealer. This is a MAC Pro Longwear concealer. I used it on my face couple of times and I really like it. It has full coverage, and the shade I am in is NC35. It has a little bit of yellow undertone, so that helps in brightening your under eyes. Okay, so the next thing is from Face Shop. It's their cleansing cream, rice water bright cleansing cream. This is how it looks, and I have used so much of this product, like so much of, like I use a lot of it. Okay, let me show you. It's very dirty. Please don't mind that. This is not the most convenient packaging, but you can see how much I have used. I don't know if you can see it or not, but yes, I have used a lot of it. And also, if I forget to mention about any shade name or any price range, I will be listing down it in the description box below. So keep that in mind and check it down below if I forget to say that here. And the next thing is the OG Lakme Insta eyeliner. This is how it looks. I know you must have seen it. Is this Blue Heaven matte lip color, sapphire matte lip color. This is how the packaging looks, and this is how the shade looks. This is what I have on my lips today. The next thing is a makeup remover. Again, it's from Garnier Naturals. It's the OG micellar cleansing water. Everyone uses it. Okay, so I got a nude eye pencil. Basically, it's a nude eye pencil that you apply on your waterline, and it gives your eyes a more opened up. If I have it on my waterline and it looks pretty good. It does the job, but it's not super pigmented. If that's what you are interested in, this is this swatch. And the next thing is an eyebrow pencil. This is by Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade gray, and this is the shade. This one is the shade. That's all. So I think we are done with the Nika haul. This was all that I got from Nika in the from like I don't remember the month that I got it from. And let's move on to the big basket. So there was an offer running on Purple for Face Shop that you get a revitalizing kit from Face Shop free if you buy for 999 or 899. I don't remember, but I got this one. This is the Pure Brightening Travel Kit, and then I got this free. This is the Yavadam kit, and I did not use the brightening one, but I surely did use this one, Yavadam one, and it is super good. If you have those little bumps on your face, I had them all over here and also here, and it was so frustrating to, whenever I was doing my makeup, the makeup was not sitting well, and since the time I started using it, they are relatively gone, like gone. I do not have any small little bumps on my face as of now. And let me show you how it looks from the inside. You basically you get four products. These are the four products. The first one is okay. The first one is a toner, the second one is an emulsion, the third one is an serum, and the last one is a face cream. Sticking to Face Shop, these are the recent purchase. This was way back. Um, Okay, so these are the sheet masks. They were running an offer of like buy three and get three. So I bought it at that time, and I'm so glad that I bought it at that time because they are always running like buy five and get two. But that day they were running like buy three and get three. Basically, that offer was like buy one get one free, and I bought six of them. So I bought three and I got three free. First one is the pomegranate one. The next one is the bamboo. The third one is red ginseng. I think it's for age something. I'm not going to use that, I think so. And the third one is the moong one. The third one, it was not third. And the next is blueberry. The next is kelp. I think it's kelp. It's sea grass. It's a form of seagrass. And the next thing is this scrub. This is from Good Vibes. This is their olive moisturizing gel scrub. So I have not opened it. Let me open it and I will show you the texture of the product. So as it says, it's a gel scrub and it smells good. It does not have that very perfumey scent, which I do not like. I don't like perfume in this perfume in skincare or anywhere. It just gives me headache. Yeah, the particles are pretty small and they will do the job of scrubbing because they are really they, you can feel the particles, but they are really minor and round. They are not like sharp edges like the walnut scrub or anything. Do not use the walnut scrub. If you have any, use it on your elbows or your knees or on your feet, but not on your face. It will give you micro tears, and in the longer run your skin is not going to feel good. It's going to age faster. It's going to feel stripped out. All the moisture will be stripped out. And the best thing about gel and cream scrub is that they do not strip the moisture off from your face. They keep your face moisturized as well as they remove the dirt from your face. This Blue Heaven lipstick, Let me show you the swatch of it. Okay, so this is the first one, and this Blue Heaven lipstick. This is the Elegance Matte Lip this is Elegance Matte Lip color. This is in the shade number 7. It's more like a maroony, mauvey, pinky sort of shade. When it dries up, it gets a little bit darker. So this is the lipstick by Darling Isabella. The shade that I have is shade number 14, Marvelous Merlet Royalty. Okay, so the next one is this NYB Runway Matte Lipstick, and the shade that I have with me is the shade number 4. The shade is called as Trends, and this is my absolute favorite nude shade. This is a proper nude, and this goes very well with my skin tone. Okay, so the next one is also from NYB, but this is, I think, their normal range. There is the name of the range is not mentioned here, but the shade is pretty but the shade is really pretty. The shade number is 15. This is more into pinky nude. Okay, so this was the NYB Argan Oil one, this was the Darling Isabella one, and this is the NYB collection, but the regular collection. I think this is from the matte collection, and this is not matte, as you can probably tell. I have the NYB HD Spotlight NYB HD Spotless Liquid Concealer. This is my second time purchasing it. Shade number 3, Dark and White Chocolate Pretzel. I have one with me. I will swatch that one. This is the concealer. It has medium to full coverage. If you build it up, it is going to give you full coverage, but it is going to look a little bit of cakey at the same time. So I would not suggest layering this concealer up more than 2 times, because that's all you need. This is the NY Base liquid highlighter. I think there is not, the name is not mentioned here. I think it's liquid highlighter. The first one that I have is called Manhattan Fairy Lights. I'm going to swatch it here. At the website, it looked a little bit of peachy. That's why I bought this oranges, orangish peach. But here it doesn't look like that. And the next shade is the shade number 3, Empire State Lights Show. And this is the swatch of this shade. I like this shade more than the another one, and there is not noticeable glitter in the swatch. I don't know if it's going to be appearing on the face or not, but I will definitely update you guys again. Okay, so the next product is from NYB again. It's the big apple of my eye coal. This is the outer packaging, and I will show you the swatch of this. This is pretty pigmented. It glides on smoothly. It does not smudge for a long time. It does, but after a while. But for a longest time, it does not smudge. This is the swatch. The makeup section is all over, I guess. No, I think we have a nail paint. This, oh my god, is such a beautiful color. This is the shade Lavender Youth. And moving on to skincare, I will want to share this red clay powder from Good Vibes. This is how the powder looks. It's red clay powder, so it's red in color. It says it removes dirt from your face as well as from your scalp, and I got it for I don't remember. I will mention the links in the description so you can see for yourself. So the next thing we have is a toner. The toner that I'm talking about is from Himalaya. It's the refreshing toner. Let me read the name. It's called as refreshing and clarifying toner for all skin types, and the most important part is what the most important the most important part is it's alcohol free. And whenever you buy a toner, make sure it's alcohol free. If it's not, it's going to be not useful for your skin, and as well as it's going to do more harm than good. So the next thing is my favorite from all the skincare that I showed you is this. So I don't have one, I have two. These are the Good Vibes face mist. The first one is Juniper Berry Balancing Face Mist. I think it's supposed to balance the pH level of your face. And the next one that I have is the Cedarwood up it's the Cedarwood uplifting face mist. It's the one that I'm using is this, as you can see, is sealed. Hydrates your face to an another level. Okay, I'm not saying moisturize, okay, I'm saying hydrate. Moisturizing and hydrating are two different things. It hydrates your face so good. I'm used to the scent of it now, so I don't mind it. You get used to the scent in 2 to 3 applications, and I have used this much of it. Next thing that I bought, this was not a recent purchase, this was way back. So this is the Derm Dog age repair face serum. I know I'm just 18 and I do not need an age serum, rewinding age rewinding serum. But the reason why I got this is because of niacinamide. Okay, so what happened was I was watching Hiram's one video, and he said niacinamide is the one element that you should have, you must have in your skincare routine. Okay, and I searched for so many niacinamide ranges. I saw some good reviews on these two, but I don't know. I should have bought the Dr. Shades one, because when you open this, you get a bottle and a dropper. And the most annoying part is that it smells literally like perfume. It smells like, I'm not going to open this because I'm gonna get migraines then. It smells so much of perfume, and it just feels like you're applying perfume on your face, like literal perfume. Not, I'm not talking about a minimalistic scent, but this is literally the mains perfume. You know, the mains, the fog, it's like the fog perfume. It smells exactly like that, and I don't plan on using this shit. Okay, so the next thing that is my personal favorite that I got from this all, and I'm so glad that I got this. I was thinking of buying the Rosehip serum, but I did not. I bought this one. This is, I lost the box somewhere. This is the Good Vibes, what is it, Grapeseed Illuminating Serum, and I applied this before doing this makeup. And I don't know if the camera is catching it or not, but in real life my skin feels very light, and for some reason it feels like there is nothing on my face, but I have a full face glam face on, because I did a Instagram tutorial on this look, and it just feels so lightweight. Just because I bought so many of Good Vibes product, they sent us this mini aloe vera gel tubes. I have 4 of them. I finished 3 of them. I got this Good Vibes water lily gel with the order. I don't remember which order, but I got it. It is a sample size. It's got animal. I haven't used it. It's sealed. Okay, so this is all that I got from Nika and Purple. I really hope you guys enjoy this haul video and really liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So I think that's pretty much it. I will see you in my next video.